Hello everyone, welcome back to the light reading with Golden Girl today. Have a lovely day ahead and thank God it's Friday. Hi Lightning, hi Red. Wow, you're so early. Thank you so much for your on time. Yeah, thank you so much for your mutual. Punctual, yeah. Punction. Hi Ghana. Hello my friends. How are you? I hope that you all had a good trading result recently. Hi Carver, hi Ali, hi Bejim. Welcome back, and I'm very happy to see all of you again. Hello, and if you have friends and the same passion in trading, would you like to share this link and invite them to my stream today? Thank you very much. So are you waiting for a scalping signal today? Comment yes to warm up our chat box today. Hi Jaja. Wow, so far away from here. I'm from France. Thank you so much for your time. Oh, today is not really good. All right, so sad to hear that. Yeah, the market, it seems like liquidity hunting with very long shadow. Yeah, upper and lower wick are very long, and this is the sign that the sharks is getting hunting. Yeah, they are hungry and hunting now. Okay, in today's Asian session, wow, the market continued to form a very long upper wick, upper and lower wicks. So we have to be careful. Highly pay attention to day trading. Any signal you try to in, always remember to set a stop loss order. And if you already hit your loss limit, stop. Okay, stop trading today, break early. Take a break early and relax. On Monday, the next Monday, we will go back and fight again the market. So no hurry at all. Alright, today is Friday and there are not any special news. So recently, this week, we're facing with the positive news, but the interest rate, right? The interest rate of Fed for the current interest rates. And finally, they decide to remain the interest rate unchanged. Immediately, that you can see gold forming a very massive price zone. Okay, and it hitting 51 to 53 level. After that, heading up to 3707 and set new all-time high. And this is the perfect point for all traders, most traders and investors to take profit. Okay, and that is the reason why it's under a very strong bearish momentum at the moment. We can see it's clearer in a big time frame, like hours. So this is a very big bearish candle. Bearish candle with very long big body and long upper wick. Long upper wick. Okay, so visually we can see a trend line here. Alright, there is trend line I draw in the 1 hour chart. Okay, so let me change the color to help you see it clearer. I'm waiting for the next explosion of gold. But actually, that's nothing go up forever, right? So it need to retrace and accumulate, and after that explodes in the natural direction, natural trend. So according to the 4-hour chart, we can see here a reliable supply zone. 36, 31. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let me test the microphone again. Is this okay for you to hear me now at the moment? Let me know so that I can adjust my microphone appropriately. Okay, so as you see in a 4-hour time frame, right zone is condensed and moving in the range, rectangle pattern, a triangle pattern, and after retrace, pull back and accumulating for this zone 3630 for a few times, and it's gaining a recover momentum. Bullish momentum is coming back, but in today's situation as well, under the trend line in a 4-hour time frame, that's higher chance that gold is keep on facing with take profit momentum. Take profits momentum is going on at the moment, and you see that 3 EMA is kind of separate in a 4-hour chart. So anyway, that gold is still very strong uptrend at the moment, and this is just in a short-term rally, short-term downtrend. And if you want to find any buy signal, buy entry zone, we need to looking for a very good position, because our stop loss level just for $5 movement. So it's very careful for any scalping signal. And if you want to have reliable scalping signal, welcome to my VIP signal group. I will help you to identify and establish the entry zone for you to maximize the profit. And before I start my stream, that there is a scalping signal at the level 3652 to 3650, and it already gained 85 pips. 85 pips profit. So we're having the bearish reaction, when it touched to the trend line. 59. And it's likely have more chance that heading to the below support zone. EMA 200 is acting like a dynamic support level. And this is also a confluence with other zone, other support zone. But this is where the liquidity is forming. Very long shadow, long lower wick below here. Okay, so let's see in a smaller time frame what is going on at the moment. It's kind of pity that I cannot set up a sell signal at 59. It's a bit late. There's a lot of conditions that for the current signal, the current entry zone at 59, but recently I just had a private with my VIP members for the lesson, trading lesson. Okay, so no worries that we will gonna find another entry zone today. And this is a action, natural action of gold market. When it just touched to the trend line and faced with the bearish, the taking profit action from most of investor. And today is Friday already, and most investor they do not hold the money in any trading account. Okay, like stocks, so they easily have big liquidity, and it's gonna be kind of volatile. The markets will volatile a bit in Friday, even though that today we don't have any special news. No, not yet. I haven't set up any scalping signal. If yes, I need to observe the market a bit to to observe, to have more clue. So far there's not confirmation, and it's already heading down. So in my point of view, every scalping signal I need to be careful. If the opportunity already passed, I will looking for another one is coming. Today the markets keep on open the gap, but it's kind of small. But this is a very dangerous, dangerous warning from the market to us. Like after the FOMC meeting, relating to the interest rate cut, gold market is kind of crazy at the moment. It keep on heading down and accumulating for a while, and then continue to forming a trap. This is the price channel. Ooh. So obviously that everything is going down, but in the bigger time frame you will see it's just a short-term adjustment of the market anyway. And you see here that the space, the area that lack of liquidity is already filled. Okay, and so do this. When the price dropping sharply yesterday in the New York session, and today in the Asian and London session, it's already filled this gap. Calm down. I need to identify the market before we set up any scalping signal. Okay, depends to the market. It's not always have the real-time trading scalping signal. Okay, and if you want to receive more and more scalping signal in a day, welcome to my VIP signal group. Early Asian session to New York session. Okay. How to add 3 EMAs on MT5 mobile? Actually, that we cannot set EMA on trading platform on our mobile phone. We only set moving average. You choose the F icon. You will see 3 icons in the middle of your phone, and click to the F, like similar with the Facebook. Okay, click to that, and at the main window you will see the plus button. You click to it and choose moving average. Okay, and you will choose the period of the first moving average is 34, and the next one is 10. So I usually set Yeah, I usually set moving average with this value on my phone. Or you can choose 89. It depends to your decision. Okay, so you can only set the moving average instead of EMA on your mobile phone. Yeah, empty file on mobile phone. Which EMA do you use? I use EMA 89, 3489. You choose this script name and enter this input value to the input board. Hi GW, how to join your VIP? Okay, you can send me direct message on Telegram. Find this username Nova Scalper 86. Yeah, find this username on Telegram and send me direct message so that I can instruct you to join in my VIP signal group. Yeah, with the fee is very affordable for every traders want to maximize profit. Less than $50 for a month. Okay, and at least 10 scalping signal a day. Just follow my instruction and to be disciplined. Follow enough scalping signal. I believe that you will improve your trading account. Thank you, Shar. So, I'm emotional to read your comments. Thank you so much. And even though I'm kind of tired today, but after reading your comment, I feel my energy is coming back. Yeah. Thank you, Cameron. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube and Telegram. Okay, to receive the updated information about the market and crypto and ETH, coin, or other news relating to the currency pairs, and especially USD and gold. Okay, and as usual, you will see my gold trading plan on your left side of the chart. Alright, now it seems that the market is moving sideways a bit. Yeah, everything is standing still. I cannot see the body of the candle. You see that? Yeah, it seems like everything is standing still and we need to face with the sideways market at the moment. Okay, so if we want to set up any sell scalping signal, we need to pay attention to this zone 33, 34. It needs to break 63 first. Yeah, it needs to break 63 level first. This is our resistance level that we are paying attention to. If it's heading up. Yeah, the red the red border will indicate for resistance zone. Okay, so you can mark this level to your watching list. okay, to your watching list, and if there are any confirmation from the market, I will set up immediately a scalping signal on my VIP signal group. Yeah, I just indicate for you a another significant price zone. It's heading down. Undecided. Actually, that is under the current downtrend. Yeah. There is a trend line in 1 hour chart. You can see this. Yeah, this is the trend line in the 1 hour chart. Confluence with other EMA 89. Yeah, EMA 89 ribbon here. And other resistance level. And this is also the location for the bearish as well. And I just share in my VIP signal that this is VIP members, that this is the bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, these two candles are the bearish engulfing pattern, because the second candle have the body that totally engulf the previous one. So this is the starting of very strong bearish momentum here. Yeah, a lot of sellers here. It's kind of bitty a bit, but yeah, no way. It's not a matter. And below level at this area 36.45, I will observe this let's see, 50. This is breakout area, but the momentum is kind of short, so we will lower the price zone. The specific level that's lower a bit down here, 44. Yeah, a friend Rack just comment anything on the chart, on the chat box. I cannot read it, so can you repeat it? Yeah, send it again, because the bot already deleted. Yeah. Can I sell? Actually, that is not a good position at the moment. The good entry zone at here is 58. Yeah, actually it was good position at the 58. Okay, so this time don't be FOMO. Okay, it's already passed, and if I set up a scalping signal at 58 zone, yeah, the profit is already 30 pips. Yeah, but because we missed that opportunity, so this time we shouldn't be FOMO. 58 scalp, unless it's come back, but easily to break out. So this time I do not recommend you to do any random trade. Yeah, it's like gold price is at the intersection. You know, it can be go anywhere. It can break out because near the trend line area, we need to see the momentum of the candle. Yeah, that is another condition as well. Okay, so at is 59 below here, 44. This is how is it going in a 5-minute time frame. You see it? You see that? It's easily forming a bullish candle again. Let's see that with this small trend line in a 5-minute time frame, is it gonna be different or not? Okay, so let's take a look at other assets like BTC. Let's see how it looks like after the FOMC news release. Oh. Okay, so it's like gold. It's now facing with a very strong taking profit pressure. Now it's heading back to the below dynamic support zone. Is EMA 89 here, but it looks like currently there is a bearish momentum coming back and dominating the market. So it's easily breaking down and heading to a lower level. So I will delete this rectangle box here. Okay, so I will see a trend line here and connecting the peak together. Anyway, now it's under the bearish momentum, and if you want to set up any buy scalping signal, you need to wait it's coming back and touch it to the trend line as well. Yeah, this candle forming a very big body, and this is easily with lack of liquidity, okay, and easily to fill again. So if you want to set up any sell scalping signal, we need to wait for this area. Let's check the price. 116k, 890. Oh, so long. Yeah, the number is very long, right, for BTC. So I cannot speak fast. Do you also provide crypto services? Actually, on my channel, on my Telegram channel, I usually update about the analysis for BTC and ETH. And for scalping signal, I do not prefer for you to do it anyway, because most of the time I focus on gold market and other currency pairs, because I have two types of VIP signal. One is forex, which is for currency pairs, and one focus on gold signal. And if you want to have the analysis relating to Bitcoin crypto, yeah, for the basic coin like ETH or BTC, you can refer my analysis, yeah, on my channel on Telegram. You copy the link that I put in the bio, yeah, bio on YouTube. You paste it to your saved message on Telegram, and then you click to it, and this link will direct you to my channel on Telegram. Dow Jones, I'm sorry that I do not trade stocks. Yeah, I do not trade stocks, so I cannot give you the analysis. Sorry. I just want to focus what I do best. And yeah, most of the time I share with you on my live stream, it's just for gold market, and for sometimes that I bonus for the analysis for currency pairs and BTC, right? So just focus on these assets only. Okay, thank you so much for your understand. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, you say that it's continued to forming a bullish candle. Yeah, it's easily to reverse and heading back. Yeah, this is a signal of the tweezer bottom pattern here. The higher lows is kind of similar, and this is the signal of the market reversal. So we need to observe the third candle. If it's continue to follow the bullish candle, we can acknowledge for the bullish reversal. Okay, I just share this knowledge to my VIP members relating to the pattern of double candlesticks. Yeah, so starting for 2-3 lessons already, and now the class is continue every Friday. And if you want to join it, you can join VIP Signal group and join it for free. Okay, join this class for free. And I believe that it will help you a lot in your trading journey. And not only scalping signal, I will supply you a knowledge and my experience in trading that I believe that it's gonna be help you a lot. Okay, so we need to wait for the next candle that is follow the bearish the bullish momentum. If not, it's a fake signal, and we need to ignore it. Oh, below here there's a lot of vacation, right? There's a lot of vacations, and in the 15 minutes of BTC you can see that it's now heading down to a lower level. Okay, there is a huge area, empty range here. So anyway, that in my point of view, we need it to coming back to this safer entry zone. And if you want to bet with the market, yeah, just set a small a tight stop loss. Okay, and yeah, just let the market run. Okay, coming back to USD. Gold, yes. Oh, it's under a bearish trend line. Below here there are two ribbons of EMA 84, 34 and 89. So yeah, just observe the market. Okay, just observe it. because the below EMA ribbons is acting like dynamic support. Dynamic support zone. So we need to wait for any confirmation of the market before decide to set up any scalping signal. And we will see a crossover between two EMA here. If the candle is forming with a very powerful bearish momentum, I will consider to set up another sell scalping signal. Which way is it moving in the New York session? Currently, you can see that it's under the trend line. You can see the things in a bigger time frame. That is why I always advise you to have the multiple time frame observing. Okay, and now you can see that it is under a very big trend line according to 1 hour chart. So in my point of view, that New York session is just moving in this range, and we will need to observe any breakout or breakdown direction so that I will follow the market trend. Okay, so now just waiting. It's like a spring and getting condensed. Okay, so we do not know which way it's gonna bounce. Okay, so we will talk a bit for the news on Forex calendar. Let's take a look from the in the beginning of September until now. Alright, we can see most of the news in negative for USD, right? Negative for USD, and even the federal fund rate. After that, a lot of investor is taking profit, and now it's forming a continuous for the downtrend. But federal fund rate is likely a neutral for USD, because Fed Jerome Powell do not agree to lower it, even though he's still under a lot of pressure from Mr. President Donald Trump. Okay, to cut down more interest rate cut down more point, but he didn't decide that. He didn't cut down anymore, and he still keep his decision to remain the previous interest rate as 4.25%. And this is also a support for the dovish monetary policy. Okay, monetary policy is still supported as dovish. But in September, this month is already September, we were looking for another decision that's gonna big hit for gold market in the next month. Okay, and do you still remember the candlestick I showed you at this time? 8 p.m. The candle length is up to $50, which is 500 pips from the level 36.51 to 53. $50, which means 500 distance from that level. And I also note for you that is the breakout area of the previous candle of the previous rise zone. Okay, so come back to the past and let's see 15 minutes. Wednesday. Okay, this one, Yeah, it's sweep for both sides. Okay, sweeping for both sides. And this time, anyone do the trade carelessly easily killed by the big players. They set a billions of orders at this level, 49 to 50, and immediately heading up to 3707, setting new all-time high. Immediately after that, the market opened a very big gap. Big gap here. So this area is lacking liquidity and is easily heading up again. We don't know when, but definitely gold will set up new all-time high. Okay, but we don't know when, because the uptrend is a natural momentum of gold all the time. Okay, so if anyone's getting FOMO for buy order at 3705 or 07, it's totally dangerous for you, for your trading account at the moment, because that's the perfect level for gold for gold traders to take profit. Okay, my pleasure, and I hope you can understand and have your own experience in your trading journey. Okay, going to continue to heading down. So anyone enter the scalping signal at the 55 level? Yeah, after it's come back and heading to the small trend line, because the trend line I've drawn in the 5-minute time frame is not reliable, so I do not advise you and set up the scalping signal. But this time it's kind of effective. Yeah, but no worries, because the distance between EMA and trend line is kind of near. It's just around 40 pips. Yeah, so yeah, never mind. I guess that in today's stream I just share with you my point of view about gold trading movement in today's New York session. Yeah, because yeah, and this level at 59 is our watching list. Yeah, our watching list level. And the next one, if we want to set any scalping signal for sell, we need to wait at 3673. Yeah, 3673. So today the market is kind of crazy. Yeah, you see that it's continued to form a bearish engulfing candle, engulfing patterns, and very long shadow. Yeah, very long upper or lower wicks. So as trader, you should lower your trading volume and set stop loss tightly. Okay, if you're not confident. Yeah, if you're not confident in today trading. After FOMC, you see this candle, the market is going crazy as well. Okay, so any question that you want to ask me, I will sitting here with you for around 10 minutes later. More 10 minutes. Yeah. Today I have 2 sessions, 2 live stream sessions, so it's a bit tired. And before heading to today's New York session, I need to break a bit, to prepare for to fight, with the sharks in today's New York session. And tomorrow is Saturday. Well, I really enjoy my weekend. How about you? Try to relax, at weekend, and this is a very good medicine for you, for your mind, for your brain as well, because we are so stressful for weekdays, right? Facing with the numbers, facing with the chart, every time, most of the time that I watching trading view charts is more than 15 hours a day. 15 hours a day, and it's really depressed and stressful. So that is the reason why I really, really enjoy my weekend. Thank you, Char, for your compliment. This is my motivation to produce many videos in the future. And I just prepare it like a short videos because I want to avoid the sleepy feeling. I understand that if you watch any video relating to knowledge or theory, it's easily to cause the sleepy feeling. So that is my main purpose, just to prepare the short videos. But the knowledge is enough for you to understand, right? It is indeed. More than 15 hours. I love sleep on weekdays, My friends who is following me for a long time, they know that I wake up very early. Because in the early Asian session will help you maximize your profit as well. And I know that time is very sensitive, so that is why I try to wake up early and help you capitalize on the market moves for all 3 main sessions. And because the Australian sessions did not have significant liquidity, so I just focus mostly on Asian, London, and New York session. And New York session is noisy until I usually observe it like until 4 p.m. Around 7 p.m. 7 p.m. according to France time, that the New York session will less crowded, because earlier that time, three countries, a lot of countries, a lot of traders all around the world is facing with the overlapping time from London to New York session. So that is why that time is the most crowded time, and the market will be crazy. And if anyone is new trader, you should lower your trading account when coming to the New York session, or you can observe it or trade on your demo account first to get used to the speed of the candle, and you can practice your trading feeling. Sometimes you will be I just forgot the word. You will frustrated and freak out. You will freak out, and you should practice with your trading demo account first, and then you trade with your real trading account with micro lots. With micro lot, and after you getting enough confidence, you will increase your trading volume. Just do step by step. Don't be hurry. Please don't be hurry, because I know you very hurry in making money. Become rich because of trading. That is just a dream. Like a pink elephant. It's never come true if you just dream about it once one trade that helped you change your life. Okay, so that is a pink elephant, and this is the sweet trap. Yeah, the fiction. Yeah, the fiction trap that the market is waiting for you to get in. Okay, so for this trading, and I already passed in nearly today. This year is already 8 years and nearly come to 9th year. Yeah, 9th year already, and I really understand what are you facing with, how is your psychology, and yeah, everything I'm gonna pass is already, and there's a lot of lesson, yeah, severe lesson, miserable lesson I've been through. Okay, so the purpose that I opened my channel, I organized the live stream on YouTube, just want to share with you the correct direction that the trader, especially gold scalpers, should follow. Okay, should follow disciplined and yeah, practice for the strategy every day, and don't looking for any copy trading group. Anyway, that is illegal. It's illegal for some countries, I know. That is why I do not dare to do it. Yeah, because I know that all of you is all around the world, and if anything relate to legal, yeah, laws, international laws about trading is gonna be dangerous for me and for you as well. Okay, so just learn the knowledge and control your trading account. And if you want to refer any scalping signal, yeah, you can follow my channel and my VIP signal group. Yeah, that is just the story I want to share with you today, especially for beginners. I know that many new beginners watching my stream, and yeah, that's just my sharing experience for you. Okay, remember, no one can become rich after one trade. Okay, if yes, they're just scammer want to lure you to their scam trading platforms everywhere, and this market is a lot of attractiveness and trap. Okay, so just watch my video or any trader's videos as long as it's good for you, but you need to check the correction. Okay, you can ask AI website for the correction of the knowledge, and yeah, just do it traditionally. Do not go to the shortcut. Okay, there's not rosy shortcut for this trading market, for this journey at all. All right, thank you for your listening. All right, it's about time, and I need to leave and have a brief lunch. Yeah. I kind of hungry at the moment. And okay, thank you so much for joining my stream today. Even though today we do not have any real-time scalping signal to trade together, but I hope that you can listen to my sharing experience, to my stories, and have your own decision to become a true trader in this journey. All right, and see you next time. Next week will be another explosion week is waiting for us. Toodles.